This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. Safety, space, and comfort. This crossover has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a multi-function display, cruise control, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a security system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.